Welcome to the atmosphere simulation. In this simulation, you'll observe what happens to various gases commonly found in Earth's atmosphere when various types of electromagnetic waves strike the gas particles. The top right menu option provides you with a way to select specific gas particles to test. Selecting a gas particle type in the menu moves the particle to the test area in the middle of the screen. The bottom menu provides you with specific types of electromagnetic radiation to test. Selecting one of the types highlights that type, and that radiation type will be tested in the middle of the screen. Select the green button on the light to release the selected electromagnetic radiation to strike the gas particle. Observe what happens to the particle. After about 20 waves are released, select the green button again to turn off the selected radiation. Other forms of electromagnetic radiation can be tested on that gas or other types of gas particles.